Whiplash injuries can be debilitating, but professional chiropractic care offers hope for effective recovery. Unlike treatments that merely mask symptoms, chiropractic adjustments address the root cause of whiplash by restoring proper spinal alignment and function. These precise manipulations relieve nerve interference, reduce inflammation, and enhance mobility, allowing the body to heal naturally. At Yoder Chiropractic Center in Vancouver, Washington, a personalized approach combines adjustments with soft tissue therapy and rehabilitative exercises. This comprehensive care not only alleviates immediate pain, but also prevents long-term complications. By promoting optimal spinal health and encouraging natural recovery processes, professional chiropractic care helps patients avoid reliance on painkillers and fosters sustained wellness. For those seeking relief from whiplash, expert chiropractic treatment offers a path to restored function and improved quality of life.